welcome to my vlog. Hi you guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. How's everybody doing? Well, today I'm thinking about watching Bad Boys for Life movie. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yes, so when I get there, I guess I'll let you guys know and give you a review. My God. I don't know if I can't hear that in my background. That kind of noisy. Jesus.
So, now that you have seen the movie, what do you think of it? Do you think it was worth it?
So like the thing when I really didn't want to get. Don't have any naturals, so I don't know what I'm gonna get right now. I'm so disappointed. No, Megan. Cola champagne. Cola champagne.
Bad Boys for Life. Now that you have seen it, what do you think? You think it was worth the movie ticket?
Yes, it was worth it. I love the movie. Just that in the beginning, it was more to say boring, but you know, it kind of take a time before it gets to all the action and the excitement and all of that. But yeah, Bad Boys movie, it always deliver. It always delivers. Bad Boys 1, Bad Boys 2 was good, and this one is good as well. Um, Will Smith and Martin Lawrence, perfect combination as always. They bring the comedy, they bring the laughter, they bring the action. And I could tell also the people at the movie theater, they did enjoy it. There was a lot of laughter. Um, a great twist to the movie is that a lady that Will Smith was with in the past, she came after him in out of revenge because he put her away in prison a long time ago, and they were ex-lovers, and he had a child which he didn't know of until the guy came after him to kill him, and him kind of put things together, and he analyzed it and so forth, and he realized that the guy is his son. I didn't know that DJ Khaled was in the movie. That was a very funny part as well. So yeah, really enjoy it. A lot of action, a lot of explosion. I would recommend people to go out and watch the movie and purchase the tickets.
Great. Will you watch it again?
Yeah, I don't watch it on
the
TV,
theater?
yeah. But once I watch a movie, once at the theater, there's no going back to the theater to watch it because it just don't make no sense. Because I already know how it go, all the plot and all of that. So for me, it don't make no sense. I like to watch a movie once at the theater, and then that's it for me. So what did you think of the movie?
Well, it wasn't a bad movie. It started off a bit boring. Um, in the end, it delivers somewhat. I will watch it again, just not at the theater and on a big screen at home.
Yes, so really enjoy the movie. It was great. Um, I don't know if they're gonna come out with a part. Is it gonna be the fourth one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I don't know if they might have a fourth one, but trust me, um, it's good because like the first one, the second one, I know this the third one. All of them are good. All of them have some difference to it, and it's not like it's a follow up. This one is something different. I never expected this one, so it's good. You won't be disappointed. So I think this is where I'm gonna end my vlog. Catch you guys later. Bye.